Have a good day, everyone. So today we'll be discussing the topic that we have been chosen, all about the overfishing as a significant problem in the fishing industry. To make it specific, we come up the title, which is all about the alarming reality of overfishing. So why does an overfishing becomes a serious problem globally? Because it does not only threatens the ocean wildlife, but it can cause damage and harm to the entire marine biodiversity. It can cause the depletion of the key reef species and the coral reef, from which the absence of those species, the coral reef will be harmed because there is no other than and those species are responsible to control the algae growth as their major habitat. So change the size of fish remaining as well as how they reproduce and speed at which they mature. Because the larger the species that they are disproportionately who can ready to breed and reproduce, they can now difficult to reproduce due to them that they are now depleted. Due to overfishing, we experience a food insecurity and economic hardships. And there are factors that leads to the overfishing, particularly in our country. First, we have the poor fishing management, from which there is a lack of information and communication and the ineffectiveness of the implementation of the local rules and regulations which are intended and appropriate in a specific area, particularly under for restriction. Second, due to the high demand and consumption. And lastly is due to the advancement of technology, from which due to this advancement of technology, they can catch a large number of fish stock even in a short period of time. Moreover, due to an excessive overfishing activities, it can create a different environmental impact in our marine resources. First, it can lose of biodiversity, from which it causes to the imbalance of our marine ecosystem, from which our different species inhabit. Second, it can harm our marine endangered species, from which it reduces to the availability of food from which our marine endangered species inhabit and depends for their survival. Third is it increases the bycatch. Due to bycatch, it can reduces to the productivity of fisheries. And then, it can damage to our coral reef and excessive growth of algae.